So what we're going to do is we're going to apply it with our B&G bulb duster. This is where this becomes handy, where we have places that we want to get into.
That's granular.
This is a granular, so I got this little hole right here that I can stick it in, and I can't get underneath a lot of these places. Alright, so what I'm going to do is tilt it over a little bit. You can hear it going back there. It has to be placed in the void. That's a void. This is a void. It's that space between the floor and the floor of the cabinet and the floor that we're sticking this product in. Another place you can apply it is, something that isn't going to be moved, like the washer and dryer.
So how much of the product are you going to apply?
Well, you only need very little. You can hear it going through. That's more than enough. If the roach is back there, they're going to find it. Remember, I told you it's advantageous, all right, for us to have this problem because it allows us to go where the roach is to be able to put it. So we're going to stick it in here in this hole under here. He's like, you guys are still here? All right, so.
I'm messing in the house.
Perfect. Yeah, we've got that hole that I said it was advantageous to have it. This is where it comes handy. So you can see if I can squeeze it, you can see the product in there. Yes. See in the little hose?
Yes.
So it's basically just squeezing in there. So about 4 or 5 puffs. Doesn't need too much. We're using micro dosages. This is the only void we have that we can put bait in. So we're gonna stick our B&G bulb duster. I'm gonna show you. Now we have bait back there. They like to hide in places down here, the voids, what is known as a void in the wall. Once we seal that big hole, they're behind that wall, but they can't make it through because they're really big. But they might still be here, nymphs might still be in there, but with the bait, we're going to deal with the nymphs, but the adult roaches are hiding. They're hiding behind that dishwasher hole, they're hiding in this hole. So what we're going to do is very simply, look for the hole that the builder left, and put a hose in there, and we're going to put a bait product that is a granular bait product just to deal with large roaches. And we'll do the same thing like behind. There you go, and it's just behind there. They're going to find it, they're going to eat it, they're going to die, and that problem should be temporary, should not keep reoccurring. But, we're going to go ahead and treat it, and that's the way we would do it if you had 2 different types of roaches. There's absolutely no need to spray anything in your home to get a roach problem resolved, or many other problems in the home like ants. There's absolutely no need to spray.